Good evening, everybody.
Is this the one in CBBS?
The what?
Apple Tree Farm?
Yeah, that's Apple Tree House, that one, isn't it? In CBBS. Right, we've had a nice day today. Him and his sister have been bouncing at the bouncy trampoline park, and then we went out for some nice dinner.
And guess what? He
What?
added something else, didn't he? And
Oh, there was all new things at the trampoline park.
There was even like big pointy things, so they could like try and get you out, but you had to like dive in. But I didn't really do that. I just walked through.
I don't know what that was. He went in with his big sister. They had fun. Right, what are we reading tonight then, Edward?
Make a race, but you remember when I tried to keep holding the board, but I fell.
Yeah, there was a bit of a bouncy climbing thing and he fell off it. Right, come on then. Where have you gone? Right.
This story is about...
What's it called? You haven't told us what it's called yet.
Camping out. This story is about Apple Tree Farm, Poppy, Sam, Mrs. Boot the farmer, Mrs. Boot, Mr. Boot, Rusty the dog, a tent, and Daisy the cow. Nay. One day a car stopped on the farm. A family got out. Hello, please may we camp here? Asked the man. Of course, said Mr. Boot. Moo, look, ducks and hens. Follow us, quack, cluck. We'll help you, said Poppy. Sam helped the campers push up the table.
Cool. Yeah, okay, concentrate then.
There's only got like 2 pigs in it.
Not many. Go on.
Mrs. Boot gave them milk and water. Poppy gave them some eggs. Dad, can we go camping? Asked Poppy. Please. Of course, said Mr. Boot. Poppy and Sam tried to put up their tent. Can we go tenting one day, but not
tenting, camping? Yes.
Yeah, but not like in our garden.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see.
At last the tent stayed up. Come inside for supper. We did it. After supper, Poppy and Sam went back to their tent. It's getting dark. They crawled inside. They snuggled into their sleeping bags. I couldn't see, but your hand was like that.
I was trying to go to the page.
What's that? What's that noise? I think there's something big out there. Poppy took a breath. And she peeked outside. It's Daisy! Now Daisy in our tent, cried Sam. Oh yeah, she's so nosy. Daisy tried to pull her out, head back out. She took the tent with her. Poppy and Sam ran home. Dad, Daisy stirred our tent. Mr. Boot smiled. Daisy will be warm tonight. Camping is great, said Sam.
You missed a bit.
Oh, what? Adventure, said Poppy. Camping is great, said Sam.
So, the end. Can you put the pictures in the right order that they happened?
What's a 5?
This one.
No.
No, it starts with this one.
Then I think
Yeah.
that one. Then I think that one. Then that one. Did that one.
That's right.
What's the next puzzle?
What did the campers bring with them? Match the words to the pictures.
Can you spot 5 differences between these 2 pictures? That was an easy start.
So what was that?
It really was an easy start.
What was that? The dolly's a different colour.
And then she hadn't got a teddy snuggled in. That one's eating a shoe. The shoe. I thought that was missing out of that page.
One more, is there?
No,
we got the dolly, the teddy,
and the shoe,
and what the doggy's eating. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see you. Start looking at the little boy. What?
It's his bell.
Yep. I think it's his collar on his pyjamas, isn't it?
Is there anything else?
Choose the right sentence for each picture. So, Poppy peeked inside or Poppy peeked outside?
Inside.
No, Poppy peeked. She is inside. She peeked.
Outside.
What's this one? Mrs. Booth gave them milk or Mrs. Booth gave them cake?
Milk.
At last the train stayed up, or at last the tent stayed up?
At last the tent stayed up. How to be a train?
Follow us. Don't follow us.
Follow us. Answers too.
Oh, that's just the answers.
No, I want to see.
We got them right.
Yay.
Did we miss? I got a feeling we missed some of that story again. Did we read that page?
No.
Mrs. Booth gave them milk and water. Poppy gave them some eggs. Dad, can we go camping? Asked Poppy. Yes, we did, didn't we? Do you know what? I've read that many of these stories that I think they just blur. I think I've stopped listening. Which is why tomorrow
we're ending.
It's our last story.
And then what do we tomorrow? A long one.
Well, I think we're going to go out tomorrow and buy them a nice new book to read for tomorrow night. So we'll have to see what we can find. Right, so...
What about a camping story again?
No. Right, say good night.
Good night, I'm going. Bye.